today I have this Ultraman Heroes. Like, got this bootleg one now. It's a bootleg, not SHR figure. This one, it's a archetypal Ultraman. Something else. Okay. Don't listen to that. To this girl. That's weird, mom. Okay, you can put the bootleg one. This is art. And you know why there's gate in here, okay? You know why there's a Zero Ultraman action figure. Like something else that come from for this. You know what? Don't know. You know why there's more things. They have the Ultraman Art have this. That's what there was a thing. Like, let me see. What more? Whoa, Gate have a art sword and a bead sword. Getting weird because now we're fine. Let me get something else. There's a Gate ham. There's a Gate sword. The Ultraman art sword and it's lovely. Dude, who say that why does a toy look like this? Look like a sword and one marble. Don't know why does it art art and Zero like the same size. Don't know why it's have to fight with that. Own superheroes like has come known about. You know why those you don't know something else. Ultraman Indonesian is fan of Ultraman, not Philippines just small fan. Because there's a new thing from Philippines that they wanted right now. Bro, I'm in Philippines, but why did they get this product right now, bro? I know why this Ultraman, but Indonesia, like Ultraman. What? Let me tell you right now. This toy, it's a bootleg. Don't tell me this is SH figure art. Like this kid, not SH figure art. This is just a bootleg. Another Ultraman figure. And it's red eyes. Look, bootleg right now. And if you want to see this bootleg, another bootleg of Ultraman, I think I'm gonna make it.